What's happening at AM.CO.za? Lots of welding going on in the warehouse. That's because the security cage is going up, not only for the power grid control center, but also for the storage area of the incoming and outgoing machines that have come in for service. And the cages include plenty of shelving to optimize the space. The CNC section is getting a lot of attention, with machines being ready for demonstrations and photo shoots for promotional purposes. From the automatic tool-changing CNC router to the Stone CNC Router to the amazing RayCut Fiber Laser. And the dispatch collection entrance also got a facelift. Why not? All that's left for you to do now is ring the bell for service.
"2023 marks the 10th anniversary of AM.CO.za in the South African market. And through that time, we have experienced considerable growth and expansion with the support of our valued customers. To mark our 10th anniversary, we have bought a warehouse at Sunnyrock in East Rand, and we will commence with renovation and construction in 2023. The facility will comprise a massive 2,000 square meter warehouse, 300 square meters of demonstration space, 150 square meters of sales space and 400 square meters of spare part storage on the top floor. 550 square meters of showroom space on the middle floor. 400 square meters for Machine.Africa for machine repairs with its own dedicated entrance. And a 250 square meter tea garden and coffee shop for your convenience. Our group now comprises 4 businesses. AM.CO.za is our main business and supplies the machines, spare parts and consumables. Machine.Africa does the installations for our clients and handles on-site and factory repairs. Ambitious Academy ensures that our clients achieve the very best levels of productivity by providing training and certification. And our automated AI-driven online store, Buy This, brings all products online and distributes countrywide. We invite you to be part of this exciting journey as we establish our new headquarters. Watch as the process unfolds and be part of the adventure to meet all of your machinery and productivity needs with this magnificent new facility. AM.CO.za. Achievement matters.